In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and send group email in Outlook. 5 minutes. We'll keep this simple and practical. By the end, you'll have a group set up and know exactly how to send a message to everyone in it at once. Start by opening Outlook. If you're using the desktop app, make sure you're signed into the account where you want the group to live. If you're on the web, just log into Outlook as you normally do. Give the page a moment to load so all the menu options are available. From your main Outlook window, look for the Home tab. That's your command center for creating new items. Click it to ensure you're on the right ribbon. This keeps all the options you need, like creating emails, appointments and groups, front and center. Now choose New. A menu or pane will appear with several choices. From there, select Group. This is the option that sets up a shared space for messages. If you don't immediately see Group, you may need to expand the menu or check that you're using an account that supports Microsoft 365 groups. Stay in the same window, you don't need to leave Outlook. You'll be prompted to enter a group name. Pick something clear and recognizable. Think Marketing Weekly Update or Project Alpha Team. Short, specific names make it easy for teammates to spot and trust messages at a glance, and they help you find the group later. Add a description next. Use this to explain the group's purpose, who it's for, and the kind of messages that belong there. This quick note helps keep communication focused and gives new members context right away. Click Create to finalize the group. Outlook may ask for a few details depending on your organization, like visibility preferences. You can accept defaults if you're unsure. After a moment, the group will be ready to use. Once created, select the group from your left sidebar under Groups. Opening it shows the shared inbox where conversations for that group are organized. This is a great place to review past messages and keep threads tidy. To send a message to everyone in the group, click Send Email. A new message opens with the group as the recipient. Write a clear subject line, keep the body concise but informative, and attach only what's necessary to keep delivery smooth. If it's your first message, consider a brief welcome and the purpose of the thread. When you're ready, send, and Outlook will deliver it to all group members automatically. That's it, you've created a group and sent your first group email in Outlook.